Imagine stepping onto a farm where tractors are no longer driven by humans, and the fields are managed entirely by robots, drones, and AI systems. Autonomous machines plant, till, and harvest crops with surgical precision, performing tasks that traditional farming could never achieve. Soil sensors constantly monitor moisture, pH, and nutrient levels, alerting AI systems to even the slightest changes. Drones hover overhead, mapping the land in 3D, spotting potential problems long before they escalate, and sometimes even spraying targeted nutrients or pest control. Automated climate control systems adjust irrigation, greenhouse temperatures, and humidity in real time, creating perfect conditions for crops to thrive. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, transforming agriculture on a global scale. Welcome to Farming 2.0, where technology replaces tractors, maximizes efficiency, and reshapes the future of food production. Before we explore this jaw-dropping revolution, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the farms of tomorrow. 1. The end of manual tractors. Tractors have long been the backbone of agriculture, symbols of human strength and productivity, yet always dependent on operators, fuel, and time-consuming schedules. Autonomous tractors now drive themselves with GPS precision and AI guidance, plowing, planting, and spraying crops with unmatched accuracy. They navigate slopes, uneven terrain, and variable soil types, adapting their speed and technique to each field. Human error is virtually eliminated, fuel usage is optimized, and labor costs drop significantly. Farms adopting these tractors achieve higher efficiency, smoother operations, and a level of consistency that was impossible before. The era of fully automated, tractor-free farms marks a monumental shift, freeing humans to focus on strategy, data analysis, and innovation instead of repetitive fieldwork. 2. Robotics taking over the fields. Beyond tractors, robotic planters, harvesters, and weeders are now transforming agriculture at every level. These machines operate around the clock without fatigue, delivering consistent results across every acre. Robotic weeders can identify and remove weeds without a single chemical, reducing environmental impact and costs. Harvesters delicately pick fragile crops like tomatoes, strawberries, and leafy greens without bruising or damage, something human workers often struggle to achieve at scale. Equipped with AI and advanced sensors, robots adjust to soil conditions, weather patterns, and plant variations, performing tasks that once required years of human experience. This integration of robotics enables higher yields, less waste, and unprecedented efficiency, turning every farm into a precision-driven ecosystem. 3. Drones as the new eyes of the farm. Drones have become indispensable tools in modern agriculture, scanning hundreds of acres in minutes and gathering data that would take humans days to collect. Multispectral and thermal cameras detect plant stress, disease outbreaks, nutrient deficiencies, and even hidden irrigation issues. Some drones carry payloads to deliver fertilizers or pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every plant receives what it needs without excess waste. By feeding this real-time data into AI systems, farmers gain actionable insights instantly, allowing them to respond to threats, optimize growth, and make informed strategic decisions. With aerial oversight, farms operate smarter, minimizing crop loss and maximizing overall productivity. 4. AI as the master planner. Artificial intelligence is the brain behind Farming 2.0. It constantly analyzes data from sensors, satellites, and drones to make critical decisions in real time. AI predicts the best planting schedules, irrigation patterns, and fertilization needs, while also identifying risks like pest outbreaks, disease, or extreme weather. Farms guided by AI move from reactive management to proactive strategy, ensuring maximum yield while conserving water, energy, and nutrients. By removing guesswork, AI transforms agriculture into a science of precision, turning farming decisions into calculated, data-driven actions that maximize productivity and sustainability. 5. Precision planting and smart irrigation. With AI-guided robotic planters, seeds are placed at the exact depth, spacing, and orientation for optimal growth. Smart irrigation systems deliver water only where it's needed, reducing consumption by up to 40%, while precise nutrient delivery ensures each plant receives the perfect balance of minerals. Fertilizers and pesticides are applied selectively, avoiding waste and protecting the environment. Every action is measured, monitored, and optimized to improve crop health and yield. Precision farming isn't just a technology, it's a philosophy that blends data, robotics, and environmental stewardship to create farms that are more productive and sustainable than ever before. 6. Harvesting reinvented. Harvesting has always been the most labor-intensive stage of farming, often requiring careful attention and long hours to avoid waste. Robotic harvesters now operate day and night, gently picking fruits and vegetables with minimal human intervention. AI-powered vision systems identify the ripest produce, while soft robotic arms handle delicate crops without bruising or damage. Continuous harvesting increases yield, reduces waste, and ensures fresh produce reaches markets faster. For example, strawberry picking robots can harvest thousands of berries every day, outperforming entire human teams. Farms equipped with these systems set new benchmarks for speed, quality, and efficiency. 7. Sustainability and environmental benefits. Farming 2.0 isn't only about efficiency, it's about sustainability. Automated systems reduce fuel consumption, optimize irrigation, and apply fertilizers and chemicals only where necessary, minimizing environmental impact. Soil health is preserved through reduced compaction, and crops thrive while conserving natural resources. Carbon emissions are lowered, and over-farming is prevented, creating resilient ecosystems. Technology now partners with nature to ensure long-term productivity, proving that advanced farming can coexist with environmental responsibility and food security. 8. Vertical farming and climate-adaptive systems. The future of agriculture isn't confined to open fields. Vertical farms and greenhouses use AI, robotics, and automated climate control systems to grow crops year-round. LED lighting, nutrient delivery, and robotic harvesters allow plants to thrive in controlled conditions. Sensors track temperature, humidity, and light, while AI predicts and adjusts for extreme weather events. Vertical farming reduces land use, water consumption, and transportation costs, producing fresh, local food efficiently. Combining these systems with traditional autonomous farms creates a hybrid agricultural model capable of feeding a growing population sustainably. 9. Redefining the role of farmers. Farmers are no longer solely manual laborers. They are tech managers, strategists, and analysts. They oversee robotic operations, interpret AI insights, and make key strategic decisions. New career opportunities emerge in robotics maintenance, AI software management, and agricultural engineering. Humans bring creativity, problem-solving, and judgment, while machines handle repetitive or strenuous tasks. Farming is evolving into a high-tech, intelligent profession that blends age-old knowledge with cutting-edge technology, allowing farmers to work smarter, not harder. 10. The future of Farming 2.0. Farming 2.0 is just the beginning of a global agricultural revolution. Autonomous tractors, drones, robotic harvesters, and AI-driven decision-making are set to become standard practices worldwide. Every task, from planting to harvesting, is optimized for efficiency, sustainability, and quality. Farms of the future will be faster, smarter, and more resilient, capable of feeding a growing global population while protecting the environment. These advanced systems aren't replacing humans. They're partnering with them to redefine how food is grown. The age of intelligent, tractor-free farms is here, and it's jaw-droppingly advanced. The revolution in agriculture is unstoppable. Farming 2.0 proves that combining human ingenuity with robotics and AI can create smarter, more efficient, and sustainable food systems. If this glimpse into the future inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. The farms of tomorrow are already here. They are intelligent, productive, and awe-inspiringly advanced.